Welcome to a full jewelry retouching session where every facet, reflection, and sparkle matters. First, I remove micro scratches, dust, and smudges from the metal surface. Every reflection needs to look clean but remain realistic. This ring has a complex structure that catches light at every angle. I manually reshape and enhance highlights to bring dimension without creating fake shine. The pink gemstones need to stand out while keeping their natural color and inner fire. I adjust their clarity, enhance reflections, and balance tones to match real-life brilliance. Precision retouching turns a product shot into an asset that sells. For jewelry brands, photographers, and e-commerce, let's work together.